Ever felt like you're trying to build a digital bridge between your appointments and your online sessions, but the planks just won't line up? You're juggling clients, schedules, and trying to keep everything seamlessly connected. Maybe you're a wellness coach, a personal trainer, a therapist, or even a music teacher. You're using Square Appointments to manage your bookings, and you've embraced the power of Zoom for virtual sessions. But the question lingers, does Square Appointments actually play nice with Zoom? Can they tango together, or are they destined to remain distant partners? Let's face it, the digital landscape is a maze sometimes, and finding the right tools that integrate perfectly is like discovering a hidden treasure. We're all searching for that seamless workflow, that magical connection that saves us time and eliminates the dreaded manual data entry. Imagine, just for a moment, the peace of mind knowing your appointments automatically generate Zoom links, send reminders, and keep everything in sync. That's the dream, isn't it? Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's understand why this integration matters so much. We're living in a world where flexibility is king. Virtual sessions are no longer a luxury. They're a necessity. They break down geographical barriers, offer convenience, and allow us to connect with clients and students from anywhere in the world. Square Appointments, on the other hand, is a powerful scheduling tool. It's designed to streamline bookings, manage calendars, and handle payments. It's the backbone of many small businesses, providing a centralized platform for all things appointment-related. But in this age of remote work and virtual services, the ability to integrate with video conferencing platforms like Zoom is no longer a nice-to-have feature. It's a must-have. Think about the sheer amount of time you spend manually creating Zoom links, copying and pasting them into appointment confirmations, and sending out reminders. It's tedious, error-prone, and frankly, a waste of valuable time. Time that could be better spent focusing on your clients, your craft, or simply taking a well-deserved break. Let's break down the core of the issue. When we talk about integration, we're not just talking about a simple link. We're talking about a seamless flow of information. We want appointments to automatically generate Zoom links. We want those links to be included in confirmation emails and reminders. And we want everything to be synchronized so that changes to the schedule are reflected instantly. So, here's the burning question. Does Square Appointments offer this level of integration with Zoom? The answer, unfortunately, is not a straightforward yes or no. Direct, out-of-the-box, native integration, where Square Appointments creates and manages Zoom links automatically, is not a standard feature. Square Appointments, in its current state, doesn't directly generate Zoom links within its platform and automatically attach them to appointments. However, that's not the end of the story. There are workarounds and alternative approaches that can help bridge the gap. We're not left completely stranded. One common approach involves using third-party automation tools like Zapier or Integromat. Now these platforms act as a bridge, connecting Square Appointments to Zoom. You can set up workflows that trigger actions based on events in Square Appointments. For example, when a new appointment is created, Zapier can automatically create a Zoom meeting and send the link to the client. Let's delve into how this might work. Imagine you have a new client booking a virtual consultation through Square Appointments. Zapier can detect this new booking and automatically create a Zoom meeting with the appropriate date and time. It can then extract the Zoom link and add it to the appointment notes within Square Appointments, or send it directly to the client via email or SMS. This process, while not seamless in the native sense, provides a significant level of automation, reducing manual effort and minimizing the risk of errors. However, it requires setting up and managing these third-party tools, which can add an extra layer of complexity. Another approach involves manually adding Zoom links to appointment confirmations or reminders. You can create a template in Square Appointments that includes a placeholder for the Zoom link. When you create a Zoom meeting, you can simply copy and paste the link into the appointment notes or confirmation email. This approach is less automated but still provides a way to include Zoom links in your appointments. Furthermore, some users have leveraged Square Appointments custom fields and API to create their own integrations. If you have programming knowledge or access to a developer, you can use the Square Appointments API to build a custom solution that connects to Zoom. This approach offers the most flexibility but requires significant technical expertise. Now, let's talk about the potential benefits of a more seamless integration. Imagine a future where Square appointments and Zoom work together seamlessly. First, there's the time-saving aspect. Automatic Zoom link generation and distribution would eliminate the need for manual data entry, freeing up valuable time. Second, there's the reduction of errors. Manual processes are prone to errors, such as typos in Zoom links or missed reminders. Automation minimizes these risks, ensuring a smoother experience for both you and your clients. Third, there's the enhanced client experience. Clients would receive all the necessary information in one place, making it easier for them to join their virtual sessions. Fourth, there's the improved organization. Centralizing appointment and Zoom information within Square appointments would provide a more organized and efficient workflow. However, it's important to acknowledge the limitations of the current situation. The lack of native integration means that users have to rely on workarounds, which can be complex and time-consuming. It's also worth noting that the digital landscape is constantly evolving. Square is continually updating its platform, and it's possible that future updates may include more direct integration with Zoom or other video conferencing platforms. In the meantime, it's crucial to stay informed about the latest developments and explore the available workarounds to find the best solution for your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.